Hey fermenters, I just wanted to introduce you to Kahm yeast. It's spelled K-A-H-M, and it is a natural occurrence that happens on top of fermenting vegetables. And this is what it looks like. You kind of see almost, people talk about it as the surface of the moon. We've got kind of dry, ropey strands, but also some air bubbles that get trapped in the yeast. But so this is a batch of 𝐒𝐴𝐵 that I've been fermenting for, I don't know, 3 weeks or so. So I don't see any signs of mold. It's just purely a yeast layer. So I'm just going to do my best to wipe, scrape, and scoop out the contents. And as I like to say, it's fine under the brine. So I'm just going to keep doing this. You can see it's not really coming off in like one sheet. So that's why I say it's a combination of wiping, scraping, and scooping out as much as you can. And it's hard to do this with one hand, so I'm going to show you the end results in a second, but just take it a little by little, take your time. I'm just dumping the extra brine into the sink, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So I've cleaned off the Kahm yeast, and I wound up transferring the contents to smaller containers so I could store them more easily in the fridge. And also this particular batch of 𝐒𝐴𝐵, I think I used more jalapenos than normal, so it's a really hot batch, so I wanted to separate out the peppers from the other contents. But as you can see, pouring the brine into another container helps a little bit too, but you can see there's just a little tiny bit of yeast. And once you put it in the refrigerator, that should subside because it's not actively fermenting as readily at those temperatures. So hopefully that's helpful. Don't freak out if you see Kahm yeast on your top of your ferments, and it's easy to manage.